During due diligence, how do you test whether a CDMO escalates problems early or hides them until it's too late? What are some of the questions or scenarios that best expose their bad news mechanism?
So one of the things I always try to find out is what is the escalation pathway and who are the decision makers that can help determine what the criticality is of what's going to be escalated and who it's going to be escalated to. So that's one thing. I think it's important to get an understanding of that and find out if during that due diligence, you know, are you getting that same escalation pathway when you ask different people at the CDMO? Something else that I think could be a good way to find out, and I will admit that I have not done this to date, but it's something that I would definitely consider in the future, is asking the CDMO to provide an example of a project that ran into issues and have them walk through the escalation that they used at the time. Does it fit into their escalation pathway, their standard? And then how was the whole thing treated once the issue was brought up? You can find out if the company is going to just go into a lot of finger pointing, which could really complicate a relationship with them in the future, or you can find out that they approach problems in a very kind of healthy and collaborative way and see again if that escalation pathway worked and if you kind of agree with the approach that they took. So, something I would definitely do moving forward, but have not done that to date.
Yeah, I would add to what Christine said, that if during the due diligence, if the CDMO is able to clearly articulate the anticipated project governance, that's already a very good indication that they are skilled at communication, and that there will be points of contact established. Let's say, for example, project manager to project manager as a first conveyor of the news. And then the clear governance that also includes the escalation pathway. Um, if they're not experiencing in that space, that really should be probed during the prospecting part of the project.